All right, you guys, I am going to attempt to organize this pantry. It is small. It's like the size of just a regular closet. And it came with wire shelving. It really could use an entire makeover, but I thought, I'd go over to Walmart, grab a bunch of storage bins, baskets, etc. You guys will see that in a minute, and we will figure out how we can do this pantry makeover the affordable way. Now, don't judge me on some of this stuff is for the girls, but yeah. All right, let me go do my intro and see if there's any help for this pantry. Hey guys, welcome back to another Life and Style by Liz. This is totally not what you normally see on my channel, but it is Wednesday, so happy Walmart Wednesday is what I should have started out with. But we're downstairs in my kitchen and I am exposing my pantry. Yes, this is your girl's pantry. It's a mess. I'm attempting to organize it today and I bought a bunch of things from Walmart. So check this out. This is a half-size storage bin. You can see a picture of it right there. I may use these. Wait till you guys see. I bought a bunch of things because I'm not 100%. And I'm trying to do it the affordable way. If you guys have ever gone on Pinterest or even done a Google search on pantry organization, they're using things from Crate and Barrel, West Elm, a Pottery Barn. I'm like, no. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to call like California Closet and have them just redo the whole thing myself, right? So this is just gonna be a temporary fix. Eventually I would like to get my pantry maybe done by a place like that. But today we are gonna do it the affordable way, like I like to do on my channel. I even also bought these decorative baskets. It's a set of 4. I am sure some of this will be going back, but I'm gonna try my hardest. Did I show you the rest of the stuff? Okay, I bought this clear bin because I thought, oh, those little like seasoning packets. Sometimes I buy those for like fajitas, tacos, stuff like that. And I thought, I never know where to put those. They kind of are little thin envelopes and they slide everywhere. Maybe something like this would help. I don't know yet. And then I bought a couple of these steel mesh baskets by Mainstays. Everything is extremely affordable, you guys. You guys know how I do. So Walmart is the place, even for home decor, home storage, etc. I am gonna start, and I'll probably put this in what they call, what's it called? I don't know, where you speed it up. I can't think of it right off the top of my head. I'm gonna speed it up, I think, while I basically just like toss out some of the stuff I have in here. I don't know about you guys, but I always like watching cleaning videos. I find them very satisfying, and does it mean I actually get up and go clean something? No, but eventually it does motivate me. So hopefully this motivates you. Christmas is a few days away once you're seeing this video, but it's time to start thinking cleanup. Because typically if you have a real tree, you throw it out shortly after Christmas, or even the artificial trees you do take down. And then you realize, OMG, I need to clean this place. And so I thought a decluttering, pantry organization, cleaning video, whatever you want to call this, is in order, and we're going to feature Walmart products because that's what we do here. Affordable, and it is Walmart Wednesday. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to get a little stool because I have that upper shelf. Look at all the marshmallows I have. You guys got to crack right up. Look. Hi. Why do I have 2 full bags and then another like freezer bag? What am I doing with all these marshmallows? This is why I have to clean. What else am I gonna, okay, I'm gonna fast forward or speed up the video, but if I find something funny, I'm gonna stop it and be like, you guys, what am I doing? Because, we gotta make it fun too. All right, I'll be back. I spoke too soon, you guys. I wanna show you my stepping stool. It is also from Walmart. It's actually great value, which I thought only made food. But this is gonna be perfect for me to step on so that I could reach the top shelf. All right, and the word I was thinking of how I'm gonna film most of the video, well, not most of it, but this portion of the video is called time lapse. So here we go.
Naked state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give it to you.
All right, you guys, I just stopped. I've got the first 2 shelves cleared out, but I wanted to just kind of step in here and let you know what I'm doing, and then I'm going to continue on again. So what I did was I threw out anything that was expired or old, or I can just tell about, you know your own stuff. I've had this for a year, it's got to go. And then what I did was I took out, like, this oatmeal's expired, so I took the packets out, but I kept the box because I'm going to break all the boxes down. We do recycle here, so I separated them. So I'll take care of that afterwards. I have to go through all of these cereals. Where did I get Cookie Crisp from? That is an unauthorized purchase. And I've got all these teas, so I'm thinking, what am I going to do with the teas? So I think this will be fun. I am going to continue on. I'm looking at the inside of this pantry. We built this house in 2003, 20 years ago. I know, when I'm only 25. I was really young when we built this house. I'm kidding. Anyway, yes, 20 years ago in April. So the inside of this could use a painting, and I would like to upgrade the shelves. So again, this is a temporary pantry reorg and clean out, but I think it's gonna be fun, and I'm super glad that I bought all different kinds of containers and storage bins and baskets, and let's see how it turns out. All right, back to this.
Aching state of mind, eyes blind, and
you guys, I am cracking up. Was this my attempted organization? I just found this on one of the shelves. It's like one of the girls' like Easter buckets, berry basket. This is a berry basket. I was trying to organize with a berry basket. I'm gonna blame that one on my husband because the stuff that was in there was like stuff I think he put. Let's just blame it on him, okay? But you know how you keep gift bags because you're like, oh, I can reuse this. Isn't this one so cute? We kept the book. What are you doing? It's been 10 years. Have you used it? No. Throw it out. I have a hard time with that. Anyone else? Raise your hand. Comment below. All right, you guys, what I also decided is your girl needs to get a rag and clean off these shelves. So I am going to continue emptying off the shelves, and I think I may start reloading them after I clean them. Before I get to the very bottom, you guys, can you see the bottom? The bottom is overwhelming because there's my little step stool. I've got like cookbooks, and what am I doing? What is this? It's a lot, you guys. So I'm going to get a rag, clean up these shelves, think of a way to organize what's on the, thank goodness for this. Oh, I had to sneeze. It's the dust. See, I have to get the rag. Okay. If you could see this giant island that I have right now, and I think I'll shut the camera off and I'll at least insert some video or a picture or something so that you can see what I've emptied out already. And by the way, when you do this, do what I'm doing. I kind of have no food in my house right now. I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow. Don't do this after you just went grocery shopping. I typically shop on Sundays, so do it on a Saturday. You'll get it done, and then you'll be like, oh my goodness, I need all this stuff, right? All right, so let me wipe this out, and I'll insert some video of what I'm looking at over here. All right, you guys, I am holding the camera now to show you the overwhelming amount of crap that I just pulled out of the pantry already. Now, some of the boxes, like in that section over there, need to be broken down and they're not going back in. I need to check all of these cereals, the expiration dates, and yeah, it's a lot. Aren't my cranberry plants or things here cute? And look, you guys, it snowed outside. Hey, let's do a quick, it's almost like a vlog. It's a Saturday, you're in my house, why not? But let me show you quickly. We did have a ton of snow this morning. What do you think? You guys probably like it if you don't have it near you. My husband decorates the backyard, so that's a tree, a real Christmas tree that he stakes right in front of the pool. It looks really cool at night. And then I'm so fortunate to have just woods behind our house, and of course the pond. All right, see how distracted? This is what I call stalling, and I have something to do. We're just looking out my window, by the way, if you're wondering what the glare is. But when I have something to do, I just, oh, let's look out the window. Oh, let me try this cereal. I haven't had it in a while. Anything but the task at hand. All right, I'm going.
Aching state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction.
You right, guys, I just want to check in and show you what I've done so far. So I found some placemats. I don't know if these are going to stay on the shelves. These are old placemats I just used to use on my table, but I thought I'd line the shelves because when you have wire shelving, things kind of slip through the wires. It's so annoying. But anyway, so we'll see. Those may leave. And then I'm going to tip this a bit and I'll show you the very bottom. On the very bottom, I have those 2 bins. I will link some bins at Walmart for you. I think I may have gotten those from Target or Marshall's, one of those places. But I typically keep extra bags, you know, reusable bags in one of them, and then like potatoes and onions in the other one. I know that's so funny. And then these are some cookbooks that I just organized. I didn't bother pulling them out. I just kind of stacked them and got rid of some garbage that was in between them. But I'm gonna keep going, and then when we get to the actual bins and organizing, I will show you whatever it is that I have come up with, because I honestly don't know. And again, I have everything right here in front of me. Here's something funny that I found along the way. My sushi papers, the nori papers, because I like to make sushi once in a while when I have time. All my liquid IVs, you guys know I am a liquid IV ambassador. I'll leave my link underneath this video. And what else funny did I find? A giant bag of leftover Halloween candy. Let's see. A bunch of seasonings for steak. I very rarely make steak. I think I made it once in the past 4 years. How does this stuff just accumulate? I did find 2 bags of basmati rice, so I combined them into 1 bag. That's the kind of thing you gotta do when you're cleaning out the pantry. I still haven't found a purpose for all of these marshmallows, especially since it's the dead of winter, but maybe I can make, since Christmas is coming next week, Rice Krispie treats using the different colored Rice Krispies. That would be a use for these because they're not gonna last forever. And yeah, anyway, just some funny stuff. And I'm just gonna keep going. I will come back and show you what I did.
Aching state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted.
All right, you guys, I am done. I don't know if you guys saw me fumbling for which containers to use to organize. Let me bring you closer because it's not about me today. I know it's hard for me to take, but I'm kidding. All right, so check out what I did. And actually, let me bring you over here. Look at, hold on. Let me flip this around because I'm all over the place. All right, you guys, this is much, much better. Okay, so I bought these 2 cute, little baskets, also from Walmart. And they are perfect for the very top shelf of the pantry because that's where, I don't know if you remember from the beginning, I keep all of my chips. And chips you really can't like house properly. So these baskets are perfect, and I absolutely love that I can label them with chalk. And I even have a basket for my liquid IVs. Yes, the marshmallows made their way in there as well, but I thought that would be cute to put my liquid IVs in there because they all come in bags. Down to the second shelf, I can't talk, second shelf. Here, let me back up a bit. You will see that I use those they're called like half bin baskets or something, I don't know. By the way, everything will be linked below. I think that these were under $10. These were affordable as well. I'm gonna give a grand total at the end of how much money I spent to make over my pantry, but let me go piece by piece. So I love these. I tried the mesh baskets. These were my favorite. They have a handle. You can pull them in and out. They slide right on the wire. So since this shelf here is a little higher, I put stuff that I use for cooking and stuff, or once in a while, you know, like pancake mix, nuts. There's some old Halloween candy in there as well. Nice and organized. Then you guys, I couldn't have been happier. My little idea worked. I was able to put all of my little packets for like tacos, all the seasoning mixes, and I actually had some loose cookie bags that I put in the girls' lunches, and they all fit perfectly right here. My husband even rolled his eyes because he knew how excited I was. So then coming down here is the shelf that I would say we use most frequently, like when the girls come home from school, they want mac and cheese, or there are some soups and stuff like that in here. I really need to get to the grocery store, by the way, because I typically have way more than this. There's some apple sauces and stuff like that. So that's what I did on this lower shelf, and I used these little mesh baskets just to organize. Like this one is full of mostly condiments and sauces. And then this will be filled with all their little stuff like a rice mix and the mac and cheese. And then down here is where I use the bins again. And I put all of my pastas in this bin right here. And then I was able to fit all of my teas and hot cocoa in this one right here, and I absolutely loved it. Now again, this is gonna be my cookbook section, and then I put stuff like our protein powders right here and a giant thing of oatmeal and olive oil that I don't need to use just yet. And then finally, these two bins right here, which I will link some from Walmart for you, I put my reusable bags, paper napkins, and again, the potatoes and onions bin right down here. So let me back up again. This is the entire organization. And I will make sure to insert a before and after photo somewhere around here. But if I had to say, these two up here are my absolute favorite. So I'll be back. All right, you guys, that's it. That was my affordable makeover or organization of my pantry. Again, I told you guys I did a search and they had all kinds of stuff from Crate and Barrel, West Elm, Pottery Barn. I'm like, no, we're gonna do this the affordable way, and we did it. So here it is, and I'm gonna insert some pictures or footage of before and after somewhere around here. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, enjoying your families, enjoying your food, and whatever traditions you guys do, I hope you enjoyed it. And I also hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you all, again, have a great weekend. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.
Santa's coming to